Subscribe to Mind Body Soul and click on the bell icon for more updates.
I've seen a lot of my clients constantly worry about which oil is best to keep in their kitchen for daily use. If you're one of them and you're confused too, this video will help you understand the top 6 best oils with proven health benefits. Let's begin and let's get started. So first up, we have some coconut oil. Now remember, when it comes to coconut, the magic is in the saturated fats. These saturated fats actually have a very different effect on our body as opposed to all the other fats in our diet. Number one, they help us burn more fat. So they boost the fat burning capacity of our body. Number two, they take care of the good cholesterol. This helps our food digestion in terms of the fact that it helps our body take up more of the fat soluble components like lots of vitamins and even magnesium. Always remember that coconut oil is good for high heat cooking. So especially cuisines like our Indian cuisine where our temperatures always go higher, coconut oil makes an amazing alternative to cook our meals in. Number two, we have groundnut oil, which looks like this. Now when it comes to groundnut oil has been ancient to our Indian kitchens, not without a reason. It is naturally trans fat free, obviously cholesterol free, and also low in saturated fats. This is rich in the unsaturated fat, especially the monounsaturated kind. This oil is also very rich in vitamin E and phytosterols, which actually help our heart health. Next up, we have extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil looks like this. It comes from olives. Now this oil is very rich in again monounsaturated fats and also antioxidants, which are amazing for your cardiovascular health. But when it comes to olive oil, I'm going to give you my little tip and secret. Never use this for frying or baking or any cooking that involves slightly higher temperatures because this has a very less smoke point. So all you can do with this is just saute your vegetables or drizzle it onto some salad. On number 4, we have rice bran oil, which looks like this. Commonly used in Asian countries. Now when it comes to this oil, it's again rich in vitamin E, monounsaturated fats and also other nutrients. It has certain active compounds that also help with anti-inflammatory benefits and contain lots of antioxidants. So next up we have avocado oil. Avocado oil is super high in the heart-healthy monounsaturated fat. This oil is lower on the saturated fat, but what makes this famous worldwide is basically its high smoke point, which is around 390 degrees, making this ideal for high heat cooking and also frying. The best part about avocado oil is its neutral flavor without being chemically processed like other vegetable oils. The only reason I'm a little skeptical when it comes to avocado oil is that this is a little more expensive than all our regular oils and not very easily available. But if you can get your hands on it, I would recommend it 100%. Next up, we have mustard oil. Now, mustard oil is made out of mustard or rye. This is again an ancient oil of India, not without a reason, because this oil has said to be miraculous in terms of its health benefits. We've been using this anciently to boost our immunity, to treat a cold, and also to nourish our hair and skin. When it comes to mustard oil, remember that this is super high in your MUFA, PUFA, omega-3 and 6 and also vitamin E. It also has lots of antioxidants and antimicrobial properties. So there you guys have it. These are my top 6 oils when it comes to the ones that I want you to have in your own kitchen. One tip that I give all of my clients is that all of these oils should always be used in a rotation. So oil rotation helps you and your family get the benefits from every oil seasonally. So today, as we come to the end of season 1, I'd like you to obviously stay healthy, stay happy, but stay tuned to Mind, Body, Soul and don't forget to create your own health space.